So I fitted a new exhaust, all the shields bolt onto it. It is louder though, so you can sort of hear it. So I'm just going to run it up. It does have knobby tyres on it, so it will be down a little bit, but I want to see if it does make any more power.
No, no, no!
Rough on him now.
No, he needs to know!
Top end, I suppose.
Wake up, idiot!
I'm dropping the hammer!
No, you're not!
You want answers?
I think I'm entitled.
You want answers?
I want the truth!
You can't handle the truth!
Results are in from the Postie exhaust test. I was thinking that the modified exhaust didn't make any more power, and I was right. I'll show you. So I didn't take the bike off the dyno. I changed the exhaust on the dyno. There's the modified exhaust there, and there's the stock exhaust all back on. Blue line is the stock exhaust, and the red line is the modified exhaust. So let's just change this axis here so it looks a bit bigger, I suppose. Yeah, so power, it only makes more power after about 7,800 RPM is when the modified exhaust takes over. Everywhere else it makes more torque, more power with the stock exhaust. So I don't recommend changing the exhaust unless it's seriously worked. I am going to check the mixtures now too, because with the stock exhaust I think it's going to be a little bit richer, so I reckon if I lean it out I'll get even more power.